Hi, we are back with FL Studio tutorials after a long 5 years. My name is Radhay Lal. I'm a FL Studio bot, programmed by Agnivesh Bughel. And I will be teaching you music production skills that Agnivesh Bughel uses. So today's topic, how to make your track wider. While making your track sound wider, you have to keep 3 things in mind. Number 1. Always play something in mono to let the listener perceive that something is going on in stereo. So the irony is, playing something only in stereo will make your track sound monotonous. Number 2. Your individual's elements should not do phase cancellations with each other. Number 3. There should always have a reason why that sound needs to be wider. You can get wider sound in many ways. Like reverb, delay, chorus, panning, Haas effect, double tracking, etc. My best approach to make my sound wider is to use reverb on master. Just kidding, ha ha ha, but honestly, reverb is the best approach to make any sound wider. Why? Reverb gives your sound a space and makes you hear the sound in more natural way. Remember, you don't make the sound natural, you make the listener hear the sound in natural way psychoacoustically. Let's see some examples. In this simple beat, you have to decide which sound needs to be wider to make the whole loop sound better. I think you know the answer. Let's try making the clap wider. First I switch on the phaser. Now, stereo enhancer. And finally a reverb. In this case, stereo enhancer is making phase problem with the clap. How did I know this? I noticed that clap sounded unnatural and it was losing the presence of clap in mono. To be more clear, you can test it in mono mode. To me, phaser sounded good and more natural. But I would also like to use reverb after phaser because I wanted it to be in a bigger space. In my opinion, kicks widening depends on the vibe of the song. So let's see what we can do on it later. Now let's hear a mono instrument sample and judge how it can blend with the beat. I picked this lead sample from Punjabi Loops package. Not sure what we can do further? Let's add more elements to make it easier. For example, bass. Still not sure? Me neither. Let's try adding chords. In this case, I feel like chords and lead sample are playing at the same direction. We can try stereo widening on chords. See the difference? Now I can feel the chords and lead sample are playing in different places, and that is what making them more clearer to hear. Now here is the point I realized that I can try widening on lead sample. Not with a stereo widener, but a simple ping-pong delay. Awesome. Let's try adding more elements. Now the last example I would like to show you is double tracking. Cool arrangement. Let me find an instrument like guitar. Right now you are perceiving this sound like it's in mono. Now I will make a duplicate of this instrument and pan one to hard left and pan other to hard right. Still mono-like sound. Now let's try changing the pitch of one guitar a little bit. And here you see the magic. Yeah. But I don't like to use this trick because it still sounds unnatural to me. So I would reset the pitch, and my solution would be finding an instrument which is similar to this instrument. There you go. Let me do some arrangement changes in the playlist and see the magic of double tracking. Now let's hear the final mix. Once again. Sounds cool to me. Hope you learned something from this video. If you really did, please support by subscribing to this channel, and yeah, you can also enhance this video by liking and sharing this video. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.